Morning, YouTubers, or good afternoon, YouTubers. What's up? Well, I knew I was going to get that right. We got a Sabre heavy duty made in Japan in the 60s, no doubt. Remember these when I was a kid. Dad would let me buy one because it's so big. 4-inch blade and a 5-inch frame. There's the thing of the past. It looks pretty good. I think it'd cut. There we have it, folks. Flashback from the 60s and 70s. It's hand pretty good too. Does mine. Well, folks, hope you enjoyed the little Sabre. Have a good day. Stay safe. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.